Hi, my name is Kyle Chester Marsden from Fieldpiece Instruments, and today we're going to look at our wireless digital refrigerant manifolds, the SM4 ATV and the SM3 ATV. Now the first thing we need to do is get the manifolds out of the package, and one of the things I would like to share with you today is to show you what is included inside the box. So let's get unboxing. Okay, so I've unboxed both of our manifolds and I've laid out here on the desk what comes included. Now please note that I have only included what comes with the SM4 ATV here on the table, and that is because it is identical across both models with what comes included in the box. In fact, the only difference with the SM3 ATV and the SM4 ATV is the physical port sizes and the amount that are available. With the SM3 ATV having 3/4 inch ports, and the SM4 ATV having 4 ports, 3/4 inch and 1 3/8 inch vacuum port. So if we shift our attention to what is on the desk here, you can see that we have the literature for the SMAN, which includes the user manuals, it includes the certificate of conformity, it includes the calibration certificate, and 2 small product flyers. Bundled in with the literature is also the 6 AA batteries that will be used to power the manifold. Then if we move on to the KType Accessories, we include 2 KType temperature clamps, and we also include a thermocouple with alligator clip. Then we move on to the manifold itself, and also not forgetting the soft padded case for when you need to store the manifold when it's not in use. Now to get up and running with the manifold, we first need to install the batteries by removing the 4 screws on the battery cover on the back of the manifold. So whilst I do that, here's some footage on how the soft padded case can be used with the manifold when it's not in use. So now we've installed the batteries, we can go ahead and turn the SMAN on by simply pressing and holding the large power on button for about 1 second. You'll see the LCD turn on, and in order to illuminate the screen, we simply do a single press on the blue power button, and then we have the bright blue LED illuminating the screen. Now it's time to connect the KType accessories that come included in the box. And so to do this, we locate the KType ports on the back of the manifold and simply plug each one of the KType probes in. Once we've done this, the temperature information will be displayed on the home screen on the manifold itself, and this is what allows us to take our outdoor dry bulb temperature reading, as well as our subcooling and superheat values, all in one convenient location on the home screen. Now the Fieldpiece SM3 ATV and the Fieldpiece SM4 ATV can also connect wirelessly to your mobile or tablet device using our free to download JobLink app with a wireless range of over 300 meters. Not only that, it also has the ability to connect directly with some of our other wireless tools, such as our MG44 vacuum gauge, our JL3RH psychrometer, our JL3PC and JL3LC pipe temperature clamps, and finally our SRS3 digital weighing scales. And all of that information can be shown on the screen at the same time. Some other key features about our manifolds is our data logging function, which allows you to data log up to 9 different jobs, as well as a dedicated onboard high accuracy vacuum sensor and temperature compensated pressure testing. We also include over 70 different refrigerants on the manifold, which includes HFCs, HCFCs, HFOs, and A2L and A3 refrigerants. So thanks for joining me today on this quick overview on our SM4 ATV and SM3 ATV manifolds. I'll be back soon with more Fieldpiece product overviews, and so until then, please visit our website for more information. Thank you.